how this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. Here I'm again with another Jordan from Nike, guys. Lovely looking packaging of this Jordan. You can see Jordan design all the way. Which model? Let me show you a bit closer. Here you see women's Air Jordan 1 mid SE, 8 here, 5 right, and UK 6, Euro 40 could be, made in Vietnam, QR code, and the bottom Nike ear.com, ear max, ear sole jumping, Nike.com, origin United States, USA. Lovely looking box, very beautiful and elegant. So let me take this off from here. Wow, the color is magnificent. Obviously this for female, guys, is women version of Jordan or Nike Air. Wow, beautiful. You see here Nike, and here is written Air Jordan. Lovely, very elegant in this case. Let me show you the sole, guys. How beautiful bottom. The texture, the quality of original authentic product is not as a plastic. It's mixed with the plastic, rubber, artificial material, very durable grip. You will have a good grip. It will not slip or slide whatever, wherever you go. It's for more fashion than running or other things. Here Jordan, let me show you more closer. This sole, wow, beautiful. You see here stitching, lovely, perfect. More other stitching. How it is all the way. Lovely. Here if I put as this, you can see QR code, other information, and the less. Take this off from here, take this out. You see Jordan, more information. You have a sticker at the middle. Lovely, guys. So let's go to another pair. Wow, beautiful here. Lovely texture, more close. Jordan ear, the similar here. You see some holes, pink color. So it's prepared with different material, pure leather with some other texture. This is in Solomon. Find in Solomon boots this type of material. Could be carbon fiber, I don't know, to be honest. Front part, you can see how beautiful this one. I feel something as a cushion inside. You have much cushion. You can see here too. Not a cheap thing. This is expensive quality product, guys. Lovely. If you're a fan of Nike Jordan, surely you like this type of product. But whatever, you see behind the texture, here the stitching, how this is. Wow. So the sole is a parts combination of two together. If you buy a cheaper one, this, if you have 2 or 3 layers, they can go out. But expensive big brand product, they never go out. Can use for 3, 4, 5 years without any problem. This is a benefit when you buy something premium, good quality product. Obviously, if you want to go more premium, you can go to Timberland, Panama Jack, those type of brand. I have many other boots of Panama Jack, Timberland. If you want to check the video description in this case, guys. So these are the pair of Jordan for you guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.